Waiter. Hi there, welcome to the pickle.
Well, thank you.
How may I help you?
What's the special for today?
We have a pickle beverage that I think you will like. And it's very... Ma'am, here is your famous pickle beverage.
Huh? What? Oh. Okay. Oh my god, this is so good.
Please welcome our own Dr. Dill, Ms. Cracker!
Deal with it. Learning to enjoy and relish life by opening a new jar of joy.
It's really good. That's why I love working here.
This was such a wonderful meal. Can I have to check now, please?
You're done?
Yes.
Check. Okay.
Thank you.
I will be on the way.
So what are you gonna say at my funeral now that you've killed me?
Basil seeds. So loud. Get over to our basil seeds.
Whoa. First of all, squirting literally everywhere. Can't relate.
Are you awake? Can I just have peace in just one video? Just one video. That's gotta be a joke. I literally just spilled it on myself. This right here is like next level. See this?
Force don't count.
Turn the camera slightly. Slightly,
Like your neck.
toward. No! You guys, go to my Instagram and see the exclusive content I'm gonna put. Sit! And I have to waddle out of here so they don't see, because I don't have pants on.
You should waddle, that's all you're good at. Man, shut
I hate how they package shit. Who thought it was a good idea? Throw them in there like that. Okay. 3 French fries. Is this enough food? And oh, yes. I got my spicy wings. And I got my lemon. So I got the hot lemon pepper and I got the regular lemon pepper. Incredible. Incredible. Like, this
like
is
you're
what...
waking. Incredible.
I'm trying to look cute today.
You're failing.
The back. Queen Elizabeth died from lead poisoning.
You're gonna die from cholesterol.
It. I'm not taking it back. I meant
As you never do.
and I'm not.
But once
Big Daddy. Big Daddy. It's a mushroom head. Dunk, 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 dunk. Okay, here we go. Yes, Daddy. It's so good.